A major new development has taken place in Pakistan as traffic laws across the country have been tightened and enforcement has been made equal for both the public and the police. For many years, citizens complained that traffic rules were applied strictly on ordinary people while police vehicles and officials openly violated the same laws without consequences. This double standard created frustration, mistrust, and a feeling that the law was not the same for everyone. But now, IG Punjab Dr. Usman Anwar has issued a strict and immediate order that has changed the entire narrative. He has announced that tinted windows on police vehicles will no longer be allowed under any circumstances. Every police vehicle using black paper or any kind of illegal tint will be cleared immediately. This is the first time such a clear and direct directive has been given against the misuse of tinted windows by police departments. Along with this, the IG has also emphasized that no police officer or police official will be allowed to use a government or private vehicle without proper registration plates. Motorcycles without number plates, police jeeps without plates, and protocol vehicles with hidden plates will all be treated as violations of the law. This decision is being seen as an attempt to end the culture of untouchability within the police force. For years, the public has watched police vehicles drive around without number plates, without registration, and with dark-tinted windows while the same police punish citizens for far smaller violations. Now the IG has made it clear that traffic laws will be enforced on police officers in exactly the same way they are enforced on ordinary citizens. The Punjab police spokesperson confirmed that these traffic rules will no longer have any exceptions. Whether the violation is committed by a constable, an ASI, and show a DSP, or even a senior officer, the consequences will now be the same as they are for any other citizen. This means if a police officer is caught driving a motorcycle without a number plate, a car with illegal tinted windows, or any vehicle that does not meet legal requirements, they will be fined and subjected to departmental action. The message is simple. The era of law for the public but freedom for police is over. The new orders also state that the responsibility for these violations will fall not only on the officer driving the vehicle but also on the relevant show, in-charge officer, district officer, and even the unit or formation head. If any officer under their supervision breaks the law, the senior responsible officer will be questioned as well. This move ensures that accountability travels upward, and no officer can escape responsibility by blaming juniors. The public reaction to these orders has been a mix of appreciation, hope, and cautious skepticism. Many people believe this is a positive step toward creating a fair system where the law is equal for all. Citizens argue that real respect for rules will only develop when police officers themselves follow the law. If the police remove illegal tints, display proper number plates, carry valid documents, and obey traffic rules, the public will automatically become more disciplined and law-abiding. There is a psychological impact when people see those in authority practicing what they preach. On the other hand, some citizens feel that such campaigns often begin with energy but fade after a few days. They fear that the strictness might be temporary and the old habits may return once the media attention moves away. However, if this time the orders are implemented strictly and consistently, Pakistan's traffic system can undergo a major improvement. These new rules can reduce misuse of authority, prevent illegal modifications, and help police set an example of responsible driving and accountability. One of the major reasons behind this decision is the increasing number of road accidents in Pakistan. Unregistered vehicles, fancy plates, covered plates, and tinted windows often play a role in criminal activities including hit-and-run cases, smuggling, kidnapping, and other crimes. When a vehicle has no number plate, it becomes extremely difficult for law enforcement agencies to trace it. If police themselves use such vehicles, the situation becomes even more complex. Restricting the use of illegal tints and ensuring proper registration creates a safer environment and helps in crime prevention. The decision also sends a strong message that no one is above the law, not even the police themselves. For years, citizens complained that police vehicles frequently violated traffic rules, driving on the wrong side, ignoring traffic lights, parking anywhere they wanted, and bypassing road safety laws entirely. With these new orders, the police leadership is trying to rebuild trust with the public by showing that accountability starts at home. This decision is also expected to reduce corruption. When police officers are forced to follow the law themselves, it becomes harder for them to misuse their power against citizens. Officers who have illegal vehicles cannot harass citizens for missing documents or minor violations. When the police follow the law, the public is more willing to comply as well. This creates a cleaner and more fair system where rules exist to protect people rather than intimidate them. A disciplined police force becomes an example for the entire society. Another important aspect is road safety. Wearing helmets, using seatbelts, following speed limits, maintaining proper documentation, and keeping vehicles legally registered are not restrictions. They are measures designed to save lives. Many deaths that happen in Pakistan due to road accidents could be prevented if traffic rules were followed sincerely. If both the public and the police follow the same rules, the outcomes will be positive for everyone. Pakistan now stands at a turning point when it comes to traffic management and road safety. The IG Punjab's orders, if implemented thoroughly, can bring long-term improvements. Cities across the province may finally see roads where vehicles are properly registered, where tinted windows are not misused, and where both the police and the public follow the same laws. A system based on equality creates stronger trust, better accountability, and a safer environment. The police have taken the first step by removing tinted windows and enforcing registration rules on their own vehicles. Now the public also needs to understand that traffic laws are not meant to inconvenience anyone. They exist to protect people from danger. When every citizen respects the law, cities become safer, travel becomes smoother, and accidents decrease. The success of this decision will depend on the commitment of both police officers and ordinary citizens. Real progress can be achieved only when everyone, regardless of rank or status, follows the same rules and respects the same law. This equal enforcement has the potential to reshape Pakistan's traffic culture and bring a new era of responsibility, fairness, and safety.